Beach Hero Sprint Progress 3 by me, Logan Thurn. Summary: the user can now shoot volleyballs at an adult moving around the game scene. The player can now lose lives when he or she collides with an adult. When the user hits an adult, they will gain 250 points to be added to their total. That has to be with a volleyball or a beach ball. The volleyball will explode once it reaches the cursor's location. Story 1. As a volleyball, I want to travel in a straight line so that I can reach the target location. As the volleyball spawns, it should start from the player and travel in a straight line towards the target. The volleyball should travel to the location and signal to start the explosion animation. The volleyball should keep moving at a constant speed across the game scene. So, go ahead. So as you can see, Story 2. As a volleyball, I want to explode when I reach the target location or when I hit an adult so that I can gain points. When at the target location, the volleyball will show an explosion to let the player know. Once the explosion animation starts, it should expand to a certain amount of pixels. So as you can probably see again, there's beach balls. So the volleyballs, for right now, they have the same explosion animation. I plan on changing that. Story 3. As a volleyball, I want to be fired and have to wait a certain period of time before I can be fired again so that it will not be abused. The volleyball should not be able to be spammed like the beach ball. The cooldown on the volleyball should be 200 milliseconds, or 2000 milliseconds. While in the cooldown period, the user cannot use the volleyball but can still use the beach ball. So I can kind of show you here. So, like, here I can sit here and I can spam the beach ball. I can sit here and smash the right click button, but I can only click it every 2 seconds or so. Story 4. As a volleyball, I want to hit an adult so that I can gain points. When a beach ball or volleyball hits an adult, the point meter will update and increment the points. The user will gain 250 points for every adult he or she manages to hit. So, as you can kind of see, it does go negative as well in case you do hit an adult, which the observer's not working quite right. You can see that it does, in fact, if I can actually hit something. Yeah, I'm sucking it up right now. So as you can see right there, it did go down in points. Story 5. As Bo, I want to avoid hitting an adult with my character so I do not lose points. If an adult walks into a player or vice versa, the player will lose points. The player will lose 200 points and a life for every adult he or she hits with Boo. The sum total of amount of points the player has will appear at the bottom right hand corner. So as you can see over here, and I'll quickly restart it so you can see that the lives do drain. As you can see down here, you have 3 lives to start with, and now I have 0 because